guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a review on these products right here, and I just came quickly to make an intro because I forgot to put an intro. But if you're not subscribed to the Pineapple Squad, don't forget to subscribe to my family. And without further ado, we're gonna get right into the video. Hey guys, so this is how I have my hair. I just washed it, and I did put some of my I put this conditioner on just because I don't like to get out the shower and have nothing on, just like wet. So I'm just gonna use this towel, and this towel is for curly hair, by the way. I got it when I went to cut my hair. I'm just gonna take the excess water. I don't know, I don't like having my hair super wet. I know a lot of people think, not think, but like that, but I don't like it. So okay, so this is how my hair is looking. It is almost, you know, getting dry. All right, so these are the products that I just used right here, and this is the conditioner. This is how it looks like. This is the Aussie Miracle Curls conditioner, and this has coconut and jojoba oil, and it looks like this. And this does have 12.1 fluid ounce, and that looks like that. I'm sorry, it's so I woke up so early for this. I'm like literally so tired. And this is also the shampoo right here, and same thing. I bought these together at Target. I was like, everybody keeps on talking about these, maybe I should like try it out and see if it's good. So I bought those two, and my hair felt so good when I was washing it. I was like, whoa, that was so different. Like, it felt really good, and it just, oh my god, it felt really good. So I actually like it. I like how thick the shampoo comes out, and the smell, and how clean it leaves my hair. It was really good. And then this is the main product that I went to buy because I went to Target mainly for this because a lot of people were telling me to buy it. And this is the 3-minute Miracle Curl Moist by Aussie, and it looks like this. And this is just like a deep conditioner. This is like a deep conditioner right here, and I went mainly for this because I've heard so many good reviews about it. So when I saw this and then I saw everything else, I was like, maybe I should just try everything. So yeah, this is, it says moisture in 3 minutes and hydration, and I could feel my hair feels so good. And I did put oils in my hair last night before going to sleep, so that kind of helped as well. And this is a deep conditioner, and I love it. It felt so good. So yeah, my hair feels really nice. And then I also bought the Miracle Curls cream pudding, and it looks like this. They have so many things, guys. They have so many things. It was crazy. And this says one effortlessly gorgeous curls. Aussie's cream pudding leaves hair feeling soft and smooth, tamming frizz and quenching curls. Says the directions say work into damp hair, distribute evenly from root to tip, great for air dry curls. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm actually gonna air dry my hair. But yeah, this is how it looks like. It looks like a, you guys can't even see it. It looks like a white kind of jelly. Like, see this? All right, so I'm just gonna start applying this to my hair. Oh my goodness, it smells and it just feels so weird. Feels really thick. Kind of feels like shampoo. Ugh, I don't like sticky stuff, and shampoos are usually sticky. Alright, off the bat, I don't like how this feels. I don't like how this feels. Yeah, I don't know. Oh my god, this feels so, am I putting too much? You guys see that? I don't know. It feels like I'm putting gel on my hair. Oh, my eyebrow! My eyebrows are gonna be curly. I mainly always put a lot in my back because these hairs are more curlier, so they will get like, they will get like poofy faster, and then my hair will look shorter in the back. Like, why? Can we just see how curly my hair is right here? Looks so good. I'm gonna try not to put my hair up today. I always end up putting my hair up, and I hate that because I want to leave it like out, but I always end up putting it like that. See how poofy it is right there? Right there. Oh my gosh. So now I'm just gonna take my towel. Just gonna go like that. Okay, so I mean, it's starting to get nice. It doesn't feel bad. It just feels a little thick, so I'm gonna leave it like that. I just want to use this product because I want to see how it works. So I'm gonna go to work now, and then I'll be right back, and then I'll show you guys how it looks after 8 hours of work. So be right back. All right, I'm back. It's been 8 hours, almost 9 hours. So this is how my hair looks like, and it's completely dry. To be honest, I don't hate it. I actually like it. I don't like how the product feels when you're applying it, but it actually looks really good. Let me turn around. It actually looks really good. You can see the back, how curly it is. It's just a hot mess, but I kind of like it. Like it. What do you guys think? It was good. It does feel hard, a little hard, not a lot. It does feel a little hard. I feel like it'll be so, oh my god, I have a bald spot, what the heck? I feel like it'll be so much better after I have my hair fully with curls, which that's gonna take a while. But as you can see, like, look at these curls, y'all. Look at these curls are coming out right here. Like, I cannot wait till they all come out everywhere, because I still have some parts that are straight. As you can see, like, all this is like straight right here. But I actually like it, and I actually like this hairstyle. It's a little poofy, but I feel like it's good, because I do have this other one that I use, and it doesn't really, I feel like it allows it to be puffy. So I kind of like how it feels. It doesn't feel super hard. But the main parts where it feels hard is where it's really curly. Like, it's really hard here, and then here is like soft. So I don't understand that, but I like it. I like it. I'm gonna keep trying it out, and then I will come back and like update for you guys the bottom below. I'm sorry for my shirt. I'm wearing actually my work shirt. Oh, if you guys don't know, I work at a dealership. Oh, here. I worked at Atlantic Nissan, so. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. What do I always say? Bye guys. I always change it. Like, why can't I just say bye guys? Bye guys.